Welcome back, guys, and today we are going to be repairing this Samsung S10. Let's get into it. I purchased this phone for $70 off eBay. The person who was selling it said it got ran over by a car, and it definitely looks like it did. So we're going to see if we can fix it. We're going to start by removing the back, which was pretty easy to do since it was so damaged. Next, we're going to remove the screws. As you can see, the motherboard shell is actually broken into two parts, but I don't think this will affect anything. I then disconnected the battery and removed it from the phone. I then have to remove the motherboard. After that's out, all that's left is to pull out the headphone jack. Now we can replace the screen. After I'd reassembled it, I tried turning it on, but it had some issues. The phone kept overheating and not turning on, so I assumed it was the battery. I bought a new battery and that didn't fix the problem. I then came to the realization that it had to be the motherboard, so I had to buy an entirely new motherboard as well. At this point, I probably would have just sold the phone as broken because it wouldn't be worth it to fix it, but because I already had so many of the parts, I thought I'd just repair it anyway. So now I had a new back, a new screen, a new motherboard, and a new battery. So then I started by installing the motherboard. Then the headphone jack. And then I plugged in the new battery. Then I screwed back in the motherboard casing. After that was done, it was time to test it again. The phone turned on and the screen seemed to be working. I also wanted to test the cameras and they worked fine. After I tested a couple more things, it was time to install the back. Installing the back was pretty easy. All I had to do was remove the adhesive and make sure I got it in just the right spot. Then all that's left is the most satisfying part. And there we go, we've got a beautifully refurbished Samsung S10. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. Thank you.